Welcome. If you're looking to add a new admin to your Telegram channel, you're in the right place. Managing a channel becomes much easier when you can share responsibilities with trusted admins. Today, I'll walk you through the latest and simplest way to add a new admin using the Telegram app. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and that you have the necessary admin rights to make these changes. Next, find and open the channel where you want to add a new admin. Once you're inside your channel, look at the top of the screen and tap on the channel's name. This will open the channel's profile, where you can see more details and settings. Now look for the edit icon, usually a pencil or similar symbol, at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to enter the editing mode for your channel's settings. In the menu, find and tap on Administration. Here, you'll see a list of current admins and an option to add more. Tap on Add Admin to continue. You'll now see your contact list. Scroll through or use the search bar to find the person you want to promote to admin. Once you've found the right contact, tap on their name. Telegram will now show you a list of permissions you can grant to the new admin. You can customize what they're allowed to do, like managing messages, adding new subscribers, or even adding more admins. Set the permissions according to your needs, then confirm your choice. That's it. The selected contact is now an admin on your Telegram channel, ready to help you manage and grow your community. Adding admins is a great way to delegate tasks and keep your channel running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tips for making the most of Telegram. Thanks for watching and happy channel managing.